So the placeholder is just a text, okay, that is displayed in the text box, okay, to guide the visitor on what is required of him. So let me just do this. If you are using an old browser, it is likely you are not going to see it work. It's a placeholder. I will explain and I will do one example. So you see search, you can even do it for username. There are some online forms. When you go on them, username, you see username written in the text, so that the moment you click on that particular search button or search box, okay, the placeholder vanishes. So in this case we are looking for enter a keyword. So let's say you are creating a search engine, we want you to enter a keyword, or you have created a username or a login form and we want you to enter your username, okay, you can just do it username. Take this one as, let's say, username. It's just a normal text. Then we enter username in the box. So the moment you click on the username box, the username disappears. Let me just save this and show you how it will display. Not all browsers will show it, like I said. So this is it. The placeholder is the word inside this box, which is enter keyword. So as you are entering, the keyword vanishes. You see, so you see enter keyword. It's just a guide to tell you can enter your keyword. You can do same for the email, enter email. You can do same for username and say enter username, okay, enter username.